Moosend Marketing Automation Tool Review. Usage Experience. Moosend is a robust marketing automation tool designed to streamline email campaigns, lead generation, and customer engagement for businesses of all sizes. It's particularly suited for small to medium-sized enterprises looking for a user-friendly platform to manage their marketing efforts efficiently. The standout features include advanced email automation workflows, an intuitive drag-and-drop editor for creating professional-looking emails, and detailed analytics to track campaign performance. Moosend also offers personalization options, allowing you to tailor messages based on customer behavior, demographics, or preferences. What sets Moosend apart is its simplicity, paired with powerful automation capabilities. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the platform makes it easy to create automated sequences, such as welcoming new subscribers, nurturing leads, or re-engaging inactive customers. Additionally, its segmentation tools help you target specific audience groups, ensuring your emails resonate with the right people at the right time. For e-commerce businesses, Moosend integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, offering features like product recommendations and cart abandonment triggers. During my usage, I found the interface clean and straightforward, with a minimal learning curve. The templates library is extensive, offering designs for various industries, and customization options are plentiful. The reporting tools are equally impressive, providing real-time insights into open rates, click-through rates, and conversion metrics, which are critical for fine-tuning your campaigns. Another significant advantage is Moosend's affordability, especially compared to competitors like MailChimp or HubSpot. With pricing based on the number of subscribers and a generous free plan for beginners, it's a cost-effective choice for marketers on a budget. However, there are some limitations. While Moosend excels at email marketing and automation, its CRM and landing page functionalities are relatively basic, making it less ideal for teams requiring an all-in-one solution. Still, if your primary focus is on email marketing and automation, Moosend delivers exceptional value. In conclusion, Moosend is a fantastic tool for marketers looking to scale their efforts without overcomplicating the process. Its feature-rich yet accessible design ensures you can achieve professional results, whether you're just starting out or managing campaigns for an established brand. For anyone prioritizing email marketing efficiency and affordability, Moosend is well worth considering.